All right, and our second example of a tape diagram problem. This one says Mr. Tomlin has 30 students. How many groups of 5 students can he make? Are there any students left over, meaning not in a group? Okay, now of course, you guys are adults. You see 30 divided by 5, there are 6 groups. Great job. Okay, but we want to talk about how to illustrate this for students using a tape diagram. So we're going to use that long rectangle. Okay, and that long rectangle represents 30. Okay, so we want to chunk it up into groups of 5. So I have 5 students. Another 5. 5 and 5 is 10. Another 5. 15. Another 5. 20. Another 5. 25, and then another 5 is 30. So as you can see, I just grouped 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Woohoo! So how many groups can Mr. Tomlin make? He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 5. Are there any students left over? There are no students left over. Okay. All right, now, in contrast, if I went ahead and changed this original problem to 32, right? Dun, dun, dun. We see what's going to happen. So what happens when I have 32 is that we'd have an extra 2 students left over. Okay, so here I'd have groups of 5, 6 groups of 5, 1 small group of 2. Maybe they'll be the helpers in this activity. But you want to make sure you are showing students a couple things. One is how to visualize with a tape diagram in a problem like this. And secondly, as we get further into this book, the idea of division and having no remainder versus having a remainder. So those are going to come up in chapter 3. So we've got some time. All right, I hope that example of a tape diagram helps.